Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel order on Footlocker, right? So it's pretty easy. It's really easy. So once you are into the Footlocker mobile application or in the website, you have to just go to your account. Once you go to your account, here you'll see that my returns or my orders, right? So you can just click on the my orders. Once you click on my orders, it will show you all the orders which you have ordered, right? And the orders which you have received, right? So once you select order, for example, let me show you. Let's say there's a product. If I just go to my order section, if I just go here and select here, then if it is valid under the 13 days or 15 days or 14 days, whatever the conditions, right, you can just return the product under 13 days or 14 days, I think so. So you can just select the product and you can just return it, and of course you have to select the reason that why you're returning, right? Once you do it, you can just click on my returns and you will able to see all the returns you have placed. So yeah, this is pretty easy. It's exactly the same how you do it over the other shopping platform, whether it's Amazon or the other one. So I hope you found this video really useful.